Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok not showing your video to others. First, let's go into TikTok. Once in the app, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to tap right where you see the lock icon right here. And then you're going to select your video. And you want to tap on the three dots right here above your profile pic. Then you want to tap on privacy settings. And if your video is set at who can watch this video and it is set at only me, that may be the problem. That is the problem. And you will tap on everyone. And that's it. After you have done that and go back, you'll realize that your video probably be showing up now. And if it's still not showing up, you'll tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. And you want to tap on privacy. And right where you see private account, if it's turned on, once your account is in private, only persons you follow will be able to watch your video, as you can see there. So if you want to turn that off, you'll simply leave it gray, as you can see on my screen right here. And that's it. And if you have done both of those things and your video is still not being shown, what I would recommend you do is go into settings. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on apps. And in the top right hand corner, you'll tap on the search icon and you're going to type in TikTok and you'll select TikTok. And from here, you're going to tap on storage. Then you're going to tap on clear cache and clear data. And after you have done that, you're going to tap on force stop, as you want the app to restart whenever you log back in. And normally, following those steps, you will be able to post your videos and everyone will be able to see it. Hope you found these steps helpful on how to fix TikTok not showing your video to others.